Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Abhijit and in this video we are going to discuss about compressed tries. Before going to start with the compressed trie, let us consider what is trie. A trie is an ordered tree that is used to store a set of strings. It is a tree in which each node except the root node is labeled with a character and it is mostly used for pattern matching. I have already discussed about the trie in my previous video and the link of the video is available in the description. So let's start with the compressed trie. A compressed trie is a trie in which each internal node has greater than or equal to 2 child. That is for the compressed trie, the internal node must have greater than or equal to 2 child. Here the node may be labeled with a multiple character. In case of trie, each node is labeled with a single character. In case of compressed trie, each node is labeled with a multiple character, that is the multiple character is also called as a string. It is obtained from a standard trie by compressing chains of redundant nodes. Now let's take an example of what exactly the redundant node means. A redundant node is an internal node having two properties. Number one, it should not be a root node, and second, it must has a one child. Consider the given trie. This is a simple trie, standard trie, and in this case, if we consider a right child of the root node, that is the S, so S has two child, that is E and T. But if we consider about the E is not a root node and E has only a single child, that is L. So E is a redundant node because it is not a root node, and second is it has only a single child. Second, if we consider about the L, that is L also has a single child and it is not a root node. Similarly, if we consider about the T also has a single child and it is not a root node. If we consider about the C, then C also has a single child and it is not a root node. So these are all about the redundant node on the right hand side. Is the node E, L, T, C, these are all the redundant node. In the similar way, the node A, L, I and L are also the redundant node. Now let's check about the redundant chain. A chain of the edges V0, V1, V1, V2 is said to be a redundant if node V1, V2 and so on Vk-1 are redundant and node V0 and Vk are not redundant. It means that if we are considering any particular chain in a link, then the starting node and the ending node should not be a redundant one, and all the remaining node between that particular edge must be a redundant node. Consider the given example. In that case, if we consider the path SELL, here E and L are the redundant node because it is not a root node and it has only a single child. If we consider about the S, it is not a redundant node, and if we consider about the L is also not the redundant node. So we can say that all the node between the path, that is E and L, are the redundant node, and the edges, that is the V0 and Vk, are not the redundant. So the SELL, this path follow a redundant chain. Similarly, here BID also follow the redundant chain because the B is not a redundant node, D is also not a redundant node, but the I is a redundant node. So starting and the ending node is not a redundant node, and all the vertices between those are the redundant node. So BID forms a redundant chain. Consider the given example. Here we have given the set of string and we have to calculate the compressed trie for the given tree. So the first step is to draw a standard trie. How to draw a standard trie? I have already discussed in my previous video and the link is available in the description. So this is a standard trie. Now according to the property of a compressed trie, if a particular node has a 2 or more child, then keep it as it is, and if it has less than 2 child, then you have to compress it, you have to merge it in a single child. So if we consider this given example, here the node E has 2 child, so we have to keep the node E as it is. But if we consider about the A, then A has only a single child, that is R. So we have to compress it, it means we have to merge it into a single node. So A and R is compressed into a single node and represented by a AR. Similarly, if we are considering the L, this L has only a single child, that is this L. So both L are compressed into a single node, so it is represented using double L. Here, if we are considering about I, the I has a single child, that is D. We combine I with the D, so we will get ID here. If we consider the U has a 2 child, so we have to keep U as it is. We have to perform compression only if it has less than 2 child. So if we consider the next child, that is L, the L has a single child, so combine it, compress it into a one child, so we will get LL, and Y is a single child, so keep Y as it is. Similarly for E, now E has a single child, that is L, so we will get EL. Then L also has a single child, so we will get LL. So the combination of all the three, we will get ELL. So X has a left child, that is ELL, because E all has a single child, also the L also has a single child. So combination of all the three, we will get ELL. So next for the node T. For the node T, there is only a single child, so we will get TO. That is the combination of T and O. O has 2 child, so we don't need to consider it. Next, the 2 child, this C node has a single child, so we have to compress it, we have to combine it into a single child. So we will get CK, that is the combination of C and K into a single unit, and P keep it as it is. So this is how a standard trie is converted into a compressed trie. Let's discuss the compact representation of a compressed trie. We have the same set of string, and here S0, S1, S2, S3, these are all the strings that are given as an input to the user. So S0 is BR, BE, AR. So I have written here all the strings that are provided to me, and here I am giving the indexes. Indexes always start with a 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this representation, we have to represent each node using the 3 parameters, that is I, J and K. I denotes the index of the string. For example, if we are considering the B is present at this index 0, so the value of I becomes a 0. J denotes the starting position of that character, and K denotes the ending position of that character. This is the compressed tree that we just draw. We have to represent the compressed tree. So first we start with the first, that is character B. The character B, for character B is appears at index 0. So I have written here 0. Then its starting position is 0 and ending position is 0. So I have mentioned here 0, 0, 0 for character B. Now let's take for E. For character E appears at index 0 and 1. Start index is 1, end index is also 1. So E is appear at 0, 1, 1. 0 is the index of string, 1 is a starting position, and 1 is the ending position. The next one is AR. Here AR appears in an index 0, so I have mentioned here 0. AR starts with the location 2, so AR starts with the location 2 and ends with the location 3. AR start with 2 and ends with 3. That's why I have mentioned here 0, that is the index of the string, 2, 3, starting from location 2 and ends at location 3. The next one is LL. LL appears here. So LL is index 1, so I have mentioned here 1. It starts with the location 2 and ends at location 3. It starts with the location 2 and ends at location 3. Similarly for ID. ID appears here, that is the index of the string is equals to 2. Then its starting position is 1 and ending position is 2. That is 2, 1, 2. For the U appear in a string 3. Starting position is 1, ending position is also 1. So I have mentioned here 3, 1, 1. For LL, here LL, the starting position is, the index is 3, starting position is 2, and then here 3, 3, 2, 3. And then for Y, it is appeared in a 4th string and start is with 2, ends with a 2. So we will get 422. Now for the S appear at string 5. So string 5 starting position is 0, ending position is 0. So I have mentioned here 500. E double L, the starting index is 5. Sorry, the string index is 5. It's starting from the location 1 and end at a location 3. So I have mentioned here 513. Next is for 2. For 2, it is a 612. That is string 6 start from 1 and ends at 2. For CK string is 6, starting is 3, ending is 4. So 634. And for P, the index of string is 7, starting position is 3, ending position is 3. So I have written here 733. So this is how your compressed string is represented using the values 3 parameters, that is the index of the string, the start position and the end position. Subscribe to my channel and please like and share this video. Thank you.